Hey friends, grep is a very common and very essential command line utilities in the Linux based operating system, and this allows the users to search for patterns within files and outputs the matching lines. Basically, grep uses multiple switches that will help you to searching any specific content or any specific line where the content exists in any files or directories. So grep stands for global regular expression print, and let's see what all are the switches that we can use with grep command. So let's start. So the first command that I just tried in my lab environment, that is grep, and switch is I, and I'm using the pattern that is warning over here, and this is a file name that I'm just trying to search the pattern warning, and this is the explanation, like warning is a pattern. You can change or replace the pattern as per your requirement. Suppose you want to search any specific keywords like hello or other words, so you need to just replace the pattern over here, and the file name will be the same one. So actually this pattern is, I'm just trying to search with warning keywords without case sensitive. I just written it in a small w, but in my file that is written with the caps warning. So this will just ignore the case distinctions in both the pattern and the input. So you need to use the I. So this will help you to searching the pattern without knowing the case sensitive case in Linux based operating system. Next is grep, and the v, and warning is a like pattern and example.log. So I'm using this warning as a pattern, and using a file name example.log, and this will just invert the match. It will show all lines that do not match the pattern. It means if you have a file that is having like 4 or 5 lines, and you want to give the output for all content except the line where warning exists. So currently you can see in this file there are the 3 lines, but warning is not written. So this invert the match. You want to just show the content where warning pattern does not exist, so you need to use this grep with the v switch over here. And the next is grep and hyphen r, and this is also a pattern warning, and this is a folder or directory that is pros over here slash and pros, and this is explanation, like warning is a pattern and pros is a directory. So this will search recursively through directories. Suppose you want to search a specific pattern inside multiple directories, so you need to specify the path over here. This will gives you the line where this warning or pattern is written inside all files in your directories. And the next is grep and hyphen uh, l, and it's a small l, and this is warning and asterisk.log. So this is my file extension overwritten. Suppose if you have a txt file, so you can mention this asterisk.txt, and this is a pattern, and this extension, and this will search all files which are having .log. So if you have .txt file, if you have written .txt, so this will search the .txt file extension and containing warning pattern. Suppose if you have multiple files and all these files are having this warning pattern, so this will display the entire files, first, second, third or fourth, wherever that exists this pattern. So this will be given the output as like I have just only one file where this warning pattern is written, so this is just given file name over here. So this is the L switch, small l. Next is grep and n, and this is pattern, and this is a file name again, and this will just gives you the line numbers along with the lines that match the pattern. So this will gives you, suppose you have 4 or 5 lines in a file, but warning keyword is written in line number 3, so this will gives you the line number and the keywords where this is written. This will complete line given over here. So line number 3 is written over here because I used the switch that is hyphen n. So this display line numbers along with the lines that match the pattern. Actually, this grep hyphen n switch will helps you when you are just troubleshooting any log files in your Linux based operating system, either that is troubleshooting of Apache or DNS or some other files. So this will helps you to searching the complete keywords like warning or success or failure kind of keywords or patterns that you can use to search inside the files very quickly. Next is this grep and C, and this is pattern, and this is the file name, and this will display the count of lines that match the pattern. Suppose there are the 10 or 100 lines where you just want to search like how many lines are having this warning pattern, so you can use this grep and hyphen C switch. This will display the count of lines that match the pattern. Suppose you just want to learn more about the grep command utility, so you can use this man and grep command. So this will helps you to give the all entire switches that you can apply to searching any specific content from any files of your directory or in your files like .txt files or some other files. So you need to only specify the file name or the directory locations. Thank you for watching this video.